Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video of Clinical Dentistry Hub. I hope you all are doing good. So today I am going to tell you the 7 best app which a dental student must have. That means dental student, dental professional must have these app in your phone so that it will make dentistry quite simple and easy for you. So these 7 app, I'll show you how to operate it, how to work on this app, and how it will make your dental life much easier to go on. So here it is. Let's have a look on it. So here we are with the 7 best dental app that a dental student must have. First is an Oxford Dictionary app. Basically, I'm opening it. So this app is similar to an app that is an Oxford English Dictionary. It provides over 4,000 definitions covering all important terms and concepts that is used in dentistry. So let's just search about crowns. So here you can see in the suggestion box, when you have entered crown, it is giving crown lengthening, crown remover, jacket crown, or what strip crown. So you can see how much information it is providing. Likewise, you have to search for the crown lengthening. So I have just opened it, the crown lengthening procedure. So when I am just opening a crown lengthening procedure, so you can see that it has provided you, it has written that it is a clinical procedure that undertaken by surgically removing or repositioning. You can read it later. Whereas it has given the pictures also to understand, to make you understand in a better way. So it is the amazing app. So now let's go on with the second app. The second app I want to show you is a dental stimulator app. So a dental stimulator app, it is a brand new way of learning dentistry. Basically, it is an app that will help a dental student or a dental professional to be better prepared before attending any patient. So basically, it will give an experience to you like a real procedure. So here you can see, when you zoom it out, you can zoom the tongue over here, you can see about it, and then you can rotate also to see the anatomy. And similarly, when you have to go for another procedure, like you click on this arrow, you can see a view mode. Whereas if you see that, you can learn a maxillary, how to give a maxillary infiltration, how to give IANB block, and more procedure are coming soon. And you can see a lock is placed over here. So basically, this lock which you are seeing, it is placed because I haven't subscribed it. You can buy the subscription of this app and you can learn the dentistry in a very easy way. So now if you click on the view mode, you have a study mode and an augmented reality mode. Like I'm clicking on the study mode. Now I can see the soft tissue over here, whatever I want to study. So if you reduce the soft tissue transparency, you will have a bone morphology over here where it shows that it's an alveolar part, it's an oblique line. If you click on this landmark, it will show you, and then on this also it has the body of the ramus. So I am increasing and I am decreasing the bone transparency, so soft tissue can easily be visualized. Dental Light or a bone box app. Basically, it is the pocket version of an app for real 3D medical evaluation, education of the patient also. Basically, it is an appropriate to use by the secondary student, undergraduate, graduate student, and a professional. So here what you have to do, like I am selecting a tooth central incisor, I have selected. So you can just view it. You can just view the grooves over it, a root, how it is. Everything can be viewed. And now I am clicking on the quiz portion. So here you can see in a quiz portion also, you can see the, you have a tooth in front of you, you have to see the anatomy over here, and then you have to guess which tooth it is, and you can easily learn anatomy from here. So moving on further, the other app which I have is for you is a dental cart. Basically, a dental cart is an Indian biggest online dental store for which will offer you almost best offers on 100 brand, and it will give you easy shopping. Here you just have to enter a email address over here, a password will be entered, and then you have to sign in over here, so that you can just buy whatever products you want. So going on with the next app, that is the Lexicom app, where I am opening it. Basically this app is designed to connect pharmacist, physician, and drug information can be easily obtained. Likewise, in a search portion I am entering amoxicillin. So if you enter amoxicillin over here, you will see how much variety of amoxicillin, clavulanic acid with potassium and fluoxetine option is there. So I click on amoxicillin. So here you will give how it is pronounced, what are the brand names, what allergic reaction is seen with this type of drugs, and then you can use calculator also, so as to calculate the amount of drugs that is to be given for a children. So the next sixth app which I prefer is the dental drug and anesthesia. So dental drug and anesthetic app is a best drug reference, and local anesthetic dose can be calculated from it. Like you can see over here, a lot of options are there, that is antibiotics, analgesic, anti-anxiety, antifungal, viral infection, pediatric dentistry, and like I am just clicking on pediatric dentistry. So here I can see a drug amoxicillin is mentioned. Moreover, a dose for a pediatric patient is also mentioned over here, such as 20 to 40 milligram per kg per day. So I click on amoxicillin. Here you can see the indications, instruction, how it is to be given, everything is mentioned over here. Now if I go with the anesthetic you can see over here mentioned over lidocaine, articaine. Now when I click lidocaine, you just have to enter the weight over here. It will give you how much cartridges have to, like in kg you are entering it. This is like I am entering the weight of the patient 15 kg. So it will give you like 1.8 cartridge for a 15 kilogram patient. You have to give anesthesia. For maxillary and mandibular, different is given. So this is the app of dental drug. Now the last app which I want to show you is the focus to do app. Basically a focus to do app, it is basically has a task management, and you have a timer over here. So it is a science based app that will motivate you people to stay focused to your study. Like I am just starting, so my time has been started, and you can just click it over here and time will be there in the landscape form, whereas you can go to the menu option. You like for tomorrow, for upcoming event, you can just mention it over here. Like for today I want to mention that I will have a task of reading from this time to this time. So it will give you a strict time, and then you will have that memory in your mind that you do not have to waste your time onto other things, so you will stay focused. All about the 7 best dental app which should be there in every student's dental student phone. So with this, I just want to say that if you have liked this video, just like it, share it, subscribe it, so that it serves as a motivation for us. And yes, of course, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed till yet, please subscribe it, so that I can make a yet another important featured content which will help you all to progress in your field. So here I am signing it off. Bye bye.